Turbine Flowmeters and Vortex Flowmeters are two popular tools for measuring fluid flow, but they work in different ways. Turbine flowmeters measure flow based on the rotation of a turbine inside the meter. As fluid flows through, the turbine spins, and the speed of the spin correlates to the flow rate. These meters are ideal for clean, low viscosity fluids like water or oil. On the other hand, vortex flow meters measure flow by detecting the frequency of vortices created when fluid flows past a bluff body inside the meter. The number of vortices generated is directly related to the flow rate. Vortex meters are more versatile, handling a wide range of fluids, including gases and steam. When it comes to accuracy, turbine flow meters are highly precise, but require regular maintenance to keep the turbine in good condition. Vortex meters, however, require less maintenance and have a longer lifespan. Both types have their advantages, but the choice between them largely depends on your specific application and the fluid being measured.